Ukrainian equipment and infantry attacked Russian. With the aid of a tank and an armored fighting vehicle, Ukrainian troops stormed a Russian army position near Bakhmut. The tank fired continuously and closely at the location of the intruders, who were sheltering close to a bridge. Armed combatants used small guns and hand grenades to target Russian soldiers. As the Russians attempted to evacuate their position, they were instantly shelled. All of the invaders in the region were as a result killed.